V&A Samsung Digital Classroom is a series of monthly workshops with designers and artists for 16 to 24-year-olds to explore creative industries and digital career paths. Each workshop focuses on an engaging and creative use of technology.
Hi, my name is Matteo and today I'm doing hacking games at the V&A. I make games and I teach people how to get started making games. So how do you get started making games? Well, first, start with board games. Why? Because board games are much easier and quicker to hack. As a player in a board game, you are the game engine, which means that if you want to hack a board game, all you have to do is convince other players to try with new rules. 2 is to play a lot of games and to play them critically. So observe the things that you like about the game and also jot down the things that you may want to change. Tip number 3, make sure that you capture your ideas. You can do that on paper, you can do that on audio, you can do that on video, but just make sure you don't lose them. And it's important for you to collect and to come up with a lot of ideas, because the first ideas you probably have will be rubbish, but the more you collect, the better they will become. Tip number 4 is try and make a complete game before you make a fun one. This is actually a tip that I heard from Board Game Design Lab, which is an excellent podcast that I would recommend anyone to listen to. And the idea is that if you make a complete game, i.e. a game that is not broken, a game that just works but may not be fun, you'll learn a lot from that. And then later on, you'll be able to make a game which is both complete and fun. Tip number 5 is don't be afraid to break the rule. So these were my 5 top tips for hacking games. Happy hacking!
Please visit the V&A website for more information about the Samsung Digital Classroom.